Assalamu alaikum class, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to have our lecture Primary Mathematics second edition for grade 1. First of all, we are going to learn the concept of more or fewer. Here I have some puzzle blocks for making you to understand the concept of more or fewer by counting these. Shall we start? Let's start by counting these puzzle blocks. I have two sets, set A and set B. In set A, how many puzzle blocks are there? Let's count 1 and 2. There are 2 puzzle blocks in set A. Okay, in set B, how many puzzle blocks are there? Shall we count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There are 5 puzzle blocks in set B. Now tell me which set has more or which set has fewer. Yes, in set B there are 5 puzzle blocks. So 5 is more than 2. In set B there are more blocks than set A. 5 is more than 2. We can also say that set A has fewer puzzle blocks than set B, and 2 is fewer than 5. If I exclude 3 blocks from set B, you can see the number of equal blocks are there. In set A, there are 2 blocks, and in set B, there are also 2 blocks. So 2 is equal to 2. In set A, there are 2 blocks, and in set B, there are also 2 blocks. Okay, you can see there are pair of blocks, pink and green. The number of blocks are same as in set A and in set B. Okay class, we are going to do lesson 2, comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing and ordering numbers. You can see there are some rabbits and carrots. Every rabbit wants to eat one carrot, and there are some squirrel and nuts. Every squirrel wants to eat one nut. And there are 2 questions. Are there more rabbits or carrots? Are there fewer squirrels or nuts? Let's compare rabbits with carrots. How many rabbits are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rabbits. There are 4 rabbits. And how many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carrots. There are 4 carrots. There are same number of rabbits and same number of carrots. Okay. Let's compare 1 rabbit and 1 carrot, 2 rabbit and 2 carrot, 3 rabbit and 3 carrot, 4 rabbit and 4 carrot. So, every rabbit can eat 1 carrot. It means there are same or equal number of rabbits and carrots. The number of carrot is the same as the number of rabbits. Go to the next page, page number 8. There are some squirrels and some nuts. Let's count squirrels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 squirrels. Let's count how many nuts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 nuts. Let's compare. 1 squirrel, 1 nut. 2 squirrels, 2 nuts. 3 squirrels, 3 nuts. 4 squirrels, 4 nuts. 5 squirrels, 5 nuts. There is one nut is extra. So there are more nuts than squirrels. Okay. 6 is more than 5. We can also say is that squirrels are fewer than nuts. 5 is less than or fewer than 6. Okay. Okay class, now it's our activity time. Let's start our first activity. There are 2 sets of red cards, set A and set B. In set A, how many red cards are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 red cards in set A. In set B, How many red cards are there? Let's count 1 and 2. There are 2 red cards in set B. Can you please tell me which set has more red cards? In set A. In set A, there are 2 more cards than set B. We can say 4 is more than 2. 4 cards are more than 2 cards. Go to the next page, page number 9, practice. Here is a question, which set has more things? Which set has more things? There are 2 sets, set A and set B. Set A has some butterflies. Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 butterflies. There are 4 butterflies. In set B, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers in set B. Let's compare 1 butterfly, 1 flower. 2 butterflies, 2 flower, 3 butterflies, 3 flower. There is 1 butterfly extra. Extra means more. 4 is more than 3. Can you please tell me which set has more things? Yes, set A. Set A has more things than set B. Butterflies are more than flowers. There is another question. Question number 2. Which set has fewer things? Which set has fewer things? Set C has some cups. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cups. There are 7 cups. In set D, how many plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 plates. There are 5 plates. Okay. Can you please tell me which set has fewer things? Yes, set D. Set D has fewer things. 5 is fewer than 7. 5 is fewer than 7. There is another question. Question number 3. Are there as many sharpeners as rulers? Okay, let's compare sharpener with rulers. 1 sharpener, 1 ruler, 2 sharpeners, 2 rulers, 3 sharpeners, 3 rulers. Okay, can you please tell me? Are there as many sharpeners as rulers? Yes, 3 is equal to 3. The number of sharpeners is the same as the number of rulers. Okay. There is another question. Compare the numbers of hangers and the numbers of shirts. Compare the numbers of hangers and the numbers of shirts. Let's count how many hangers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hangers. There are 4 hangers. How many shirts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 shirts. There are 4 shirts. We can say that hangers is the same as the number of shirts. Okay, the number of hangers is the same as the number of shirts. 4 equal to 4. Okay, go to the next page, page number 10. In focus, compare the numbers of snacks. You can see on this table there are 3 plates. In first plate there are some donuts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 donuts in this plate. Okay. In second plate there are some cupcakes. Let's count 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 cupcakes. There are 3 cupcakes. In third plate there are some cookies. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cookies. There are 5 cookies. Which plate has the greatest number of snacks? Which plate has the greatest number of snacks? Okay. Let's compare second plate and third plate. Okay. There are 3 cupcakes in second plate. And in third plate there are 5 cookies. Okay. 5 is more than 3. 5 is more than 3. There are 5 cookies and there are 3 cookies. 5 cookies are more than 3 cupcakes. Okay. 5 is greater than 3. More means greater. Okay. 5 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller than 5. We can also say is that 3 is fewer than 5. 3 is fewer than 5. Okay. 3 cupcakes fewer than 5 cookies. We can compare first, second and third plate. Okay. In second plate there are 3 cupcakes and in first plate there are 7 donuts. Okay. 3 is fewer than 7. 3 is fewer than 7. 3 is smallest than 7 donuts. Okay. And in third plate there are 5 cookies. In third plate there are 5 cookies. 5 is also fewer. Okay. 5 is also smaller than 7. 3 and 7. 3 and 5 are fewer than 7. 7 is greater than 5 and 7 is greater than 3. 7 is the greatest, okay? 7 is the greatest than 3 and 5. 3 is smallest than 7, okay? 3 is smaller than 7. 3 is smaller than 5. So, we can say 3 is the smallest. 3 is the smallest. Arrange the number in order. Okay, now we arrange these number in order. Greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest means descending order. Okay, let's start. 7, 5, 3. 7, 5, 3. 7 is the greatest. Okay, 7 is the greatest from 3 and 5. 7, 5, 3. We can also start with smallest. Smallest to greatest means ascending order. Smallest to greatest means ascending order. Okay. 3, 5, 7. 3 is the smallest. Okay. 3 is the smallest from 5 and 7. Compare 6, 9 and 2 using a number line. Here is a number line from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10. If the number goes to right side, it means that is greater. And if the number goes to the left side, it means that number is smaller. Okay. I use a number line. You can see 2, 6 and 9 on this number line from 0 to 10. Okay. 9 is on the right side of 2 and it means 9 is greater. Okay. It means 9 is the greatest. 9 is the greatest. Since 6 is on the right side of 2, it means 6 is greater than 2. Okay. 6 is greater than 2. As on 2 is on the left side of 6 and 9. 2 is the left side of 6 and 9. It means 2 is the smallest. Okay. It means 2 is the smallest. Since 6 is on the left side of 9, it means 6 is smaller. 6 is smaller. Now it's our another activity time. The material we have in this activity, a stuffed toy rabbit and a number. In this activity, I show a number line from 0 to 9. While doing this activity, we'll have a lot of fun. Okay, in this activity we have to play 2 rounds. So let's start our first round. The rabbit is on 0. Let's see where he has jumped. He has jumped to card 2 and picked that digit. Then he jumped to card 4 and picked that digit. At that time he is jumping on card 6 and picked that digit. Then he jumped to card 8 and picked that digit. So, we finish our first round. Let's start our second round. The rabbit is also on 0. He jumped to card 1 and picked that digit. He jumped from 1 to card 3 and picked that digit. At that time, he is jumping on 5 and picked that card. From digit 5 to 7. He picked that 7 digit. Then he is jumping on card 9 and picked that digit. So we finished our second round. You can see there are no numbers. Now there are no numbers on this number board. Okay. So we have finished our second activity. Practice. There is a question, which number is greater? There is a question, which number is greater? Okay. 2 and 9. I have an example of coins. There are some coins. In set A, there are 2 coins. Okay. 1 and 2. There are 2 coins. In set B, there are some coins. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 coins. Can you please tell me which is greater? Which number of coins are greater? 9. Yes, 9 is greater than 2. 9 is greater than 2. Okay, there is a B question. 6 and 5. Which number is greater? 6 or 5? Yes, 6. We already knows that 6 is greater than 5. So, 6 is greater than 5. There is a question number 2. Which number is the smallest? Which number is the smallest? 4, 1, 3. Can you please tell me which is the smallest? As you know, 1 is on the left side of the number line. So, we already knows that 1 is the smallest. Okay? 1 is the smallest. 1 is the smallest. Go to the next question. Question number 3. Arrange the number in orders. Arrange the number in orders. Start with the greatest. Start with the greatest. Greatest to smallest means descending order. Okay? 2, 7 and 5. 2, 7 and 5. We can arrange these numbers in order. In descending order. Okay? Which is the greatest? 7. 7 is the greatest number. Okay. So, we write 7 in first blank. Then, which is the greater? 5 is the greater. We write 5. And which is the smallest? 2. 2 is the smallest. Okay. 7, 5 and 2. 7, 5, 2. Start with the smallest. Start with the smallest. Smallest to greatest mean ascending order. Okay. Smallest to greatest means ascending order. We can arrange these numbers in ascending order. 9, 10 and 4. Okay. As you know, on the number line, 4 is on the left side of 9 and 10. Okay. 4 is on the left side of 9 and 10. That means 4 is the smallest. Okay. 4 is the smallest of 9 and 10. We write in first blank 4. The second blank we write 9 because you know 9 is on the left side of 10. 9 is smaller. Okay. 10 is the greatest. 10 is the greatest. So we write 4, 9 and 10. 4, 9 and 10. Question number 4. Compare 5, 10 and 2 using a number line. We have a number line 0 to 10. Okay. 2, 5, 10. Smallest to greatest. Okay. 2 is on the left side of 5 and 10. 2 is on the left side of 5 and 10. Okay. 5 and 10. That means 2 is the smallest. 2 is the smallest. And 5 is on the left side of 10. Then we can say 5 is the smaller. Okay. 5 is the smaller of 10. And 10 is the greatest. 2, 5, 10. As you know, if the number goes to right side, it means that number is greater. And if the number goes to the left side, it means that number is smaller. Okay, 2 and 10. 2 is the smallest because on the number line that is on left side, okay? And 10 is the greatest because 10 is on the right side of all numbers. Go to the next page, page number 13. Mind workout. Mind workout. The balls have numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, from 0 to 10. Let's learn 0 to 10 counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 balls and on ball there is labeled with numbers or digits, okay? What are the missing numbers? First of all, we write on first ball 0. What we write? 0, okay? You write 0. What comes after 0? 1. You can see where is 1? Yes, there is 1. What come after 1? 2. Okay. What comes after 2? No, there is no 3. We write and in the second ball 3. Okay. 3. What comes after 3? 4. Where is the 4? There. 4. And what comes after 4? 5. And what comes after 5? 6. We write 6 in this ball, okay? What comes after 6? 7. And what comes after 8? There, 8. And what comes after 8? 9. There, we write 9. And what comes after 9? 10. Okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Maths journal. Draw a picture to match each card. Okay? Draw a picture to match each card. 2 cakes. 1, 2. 2 cakes. 6 apples. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. 8 balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. Self-check. I know how to. Count to 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Compare and order numbers from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10. I have a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, thank you so much class. Hope you enjoy this lesson. Allah Hafiz.